Okay, if you're watching this video, then we're working on some multiplication practice. I need to remind you that multiplication is no more than adding a number over and over again. So we're just going to work a few problems, and we're just going to work them several different ways. And I want you to find different ways. I'm showing you different ways so that you can try to figure out a way that's comfortable for you to find the right answer. So let's start with one that I hope is relatively easy, okay? So we're going to do 5 times 2. One thing to do is you could just straight up know that 5 times 2, I'm going to tell you the answer is 10. Okay? One of the things you can do to do that is you can draw 5 circles and put 2 in each. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've given you 5 right there. Now let's go 5 a second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or, here's one group, and here's the second group. Put 5 in, there are 2 groups, and we're going to put 5 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, that's 2 different things I did to get my 10 right there. Now, what I could also do is I can add 5 2 times, okay? And that looks like this. So 5 plus 5, and that is 10. I added it once. I added it twice, okay? So let's do 6 times 3, okay? One thing we can do is we can have 3 groups. Here's one group, here's the second group, here's the third group. This is the number of groups on the bottom. This is how many is in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many is in this group? This first group is 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 in that one. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay? What you can also do is you can add 6 3 times. 6 plus 6. 6 is in my head. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? 6 plus 6 is 12. I've added it once. I've added it twice. But how many times am I supposed to add it? I'm supposed to add it 3 times. So here's my third time. And so I'm on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and here's 18. Okay? So 12 plus 6 is 18, and that's the third time I added it. So you can know that 6 times 3 is 18, or you can do this. Here's another thing. 6 times 1 you know is 1. I mean 6. 6 times 2, if you know it, it's 12. And 6 times 3 then is 18. Okay? That's a couple of different ways. I'm talking. Hopefully, I'm not talking so fast that you can't follow what I'm doing. I just want to make sure I'm showing you multiple ways to find these answers. Okay? So let's do 3 times 4 now. 3 times 4. This is how many is going to be in each group, which is 3. This is how many groups I'm going to have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So when I do it one time, I have 3. The second time, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the third time, and I stopped at 6, so now 7, 8, 9. And the fourth time, and I stopped at 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. And if you wanted to do it without the tally marks, it would look like this. 3 plus 3 is 6, and that's time number 1. That's time number 2. Plus 3 is 9. That's time number 3. Plus 3 is 12, and this is time number 4. Okay, so they're all pretty much they're the same. We've done the same thing. We did the groups, and I did this to let you know the first time you did it, you got 3. That's 3 times 1. The second time you did it, that's 6. That's 3 times 2. The third time you did it, you got 9. That's 3 times 3. The next time you did it, you got 12, and that's 3 times 4. That is to let you know that when you do these groupings, you're actually doing the times tables to let you know. And I'll go back and let you see what that looks like right here. This is 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is 12. This is 6. This is the second time, so that's 6 times 2, and that's 12. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. This is the third time, so 6 times 3 is 18. We will have time to get in another. Let's do one with bigger numbers, y'all. Let's do 6 times 7. Okay? So we need 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? We need 6 in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see how these tally marks can get a little, it can take a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is the way, this shows you that this may not be the best way to do this. So the first time we did it, times 1, there's 6. This is the second time, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the third time, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is the fourth time, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This is the fifth time coming up, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This is the sixth time coming up, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And this is the seventh time coming up, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Now, that is the answer. 6 times 7 is 42. Drawing those tally marks took quite a bit. So you can list your multiplication facts and keep on going like that. You could, or you could have done 6 plus 6, 12, plus 6, 18, plus 6, 24, plus 6, 30, plus 6, 36, plus 6, 42. And so how many times did you add 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you got 42. Not as long as drawing all the tally marks, but still, it can take a second. That is just some multiplication practice. We stopped on one that took a long time, so I can show you that yes, sometimes it takes a long time. Get ready for the next switch, y'all.